get dramatized.
All right, we're all hooked up and ready to go. A few weeks back we did the EPIC 4000. It seemed to do very, very well. But we got the little brother right here, the little 4-channel, the AudioControl EPIC 4. So according to the box, you're looking at 4 times 100 watts at 4 ohms, 4 times 200 at 2 ohms, and 2 times 400 at 4 ohms bridged. This is a 4-channel amp, but I can only test 2 channels at a time. But that's okay because we can bridge channels 1 and 2 and bridge channels 3 and 4 and make it into a 2-channel amp. So the numbers we're looking for are 2 times 400. 400 on the top, 400 on the bottom, 800 watts total. As you can see, we got our speaker wire bridged right now. Positive, negative, positive, negative, and some banana plugs. So I just finished editing this video a few minutes ago, and like I always do, I run the video back just to see how it looks, if there's any mistakes in there, if there's something wrong. And I noticed the dog hair in glorious 4K on my sleeve and the dog hair on the ground wire for the amp. I don't know. All I gotta do is give that little guy just a little bit of loving at the shop and it's over for my clothes. So take it for what it is. It's all his fault. All right, back to the video. Woo! That power supply gets it when you first turn it on. We'll plug the front channels in right here, and the rear's here. Alright, we got blue lights, that's a good sign. We got RCA's plugged in. The gains are set with the SMD DD1 Plus. And it's time to let it rip. Also, remember, in case you don't know this, a 4-channel amp with 2 ohms on each channel is the same exact thing as bridging it and putting 4 ohms across the channels. So if I was to have 2 ohms on these two, 2 ohms on these two, stereo, it's the exact same thing as 4 ohms mono. All right, we're gonna do certified first, which is up to 1% distortion. 2 channel, since it's a 4-channel that's been bridged on the top and bottom, and 4 ohms, which is perfectly safe, or it should be anyways. And start dyno. We're looking for 400 times 2 certified. Woo, 528, 534. That's pretty tremendo. Can't really complain about that. Let's do it again. We're going to bring it up to clipping this time, which is also, in my opinion, perfectly acceptable. It's pretty universal. .606 and 634. That's pretty amazing. And for the last test, we're going to do a dynamic RMS, which is track 1, somewhere in here. There we go. 751, 762. This whole lineup of EPIC Series amps has been epic. Okay, we got real good results, and this isn't ideal, but we're gonna try some fun stuff anyways. I don't really wanna go all the way to 2 ohms bridged. Let's do 2.7 ohms bridged. Just above 2 ohms and see what happens. And we're gonna go back to certified. This is the actual torture test right here. It did not go into protect at 2.7 ohms bridged. That's pretty nutty. Almost 600 watts a channel. 570 on the top, 598 on the bottom. This time we're going to take it up to clipping. These are 10-second torture tests, you guys. Woo. I'm scared for it. Dynamic power, dynamic burst RMS, bringing it. 921 on the top, 953 on the bottom. Damn. And no protect light. We're still blue over here. Wow.
Feeling come swoop, safe way. Drop her back off, have a nice day. In a nice way, tell her I'm elevated. 11 different things going down later. Keep it real, man.
Take a bath when you hit the draft. You a first round pick, but I got the pass. What you used to, I might be.
That'll work. She don't need to twerk. She can make it.
I test a lot of amps on the bench, and some amps burn up. They go up in flames. Some amps you could test over and over again, and they're just a delight and a pleasure. And if one does go into protect and comes out of protect, it's okay. But when they don't even do that, it's a real hassle. So this is a lot of fun to do. And I have no complaints with the EPIC 400 or the 4000. And with that, I'm out of here.